What is it?
This is pretty. This is a house. And a bear. It's a bear.
And what does he have, that bear?
Okay. Look at a mirror. Look. A mirror.
Is that a mirror? Who's that?
Santa.
Uh-huh. What's that?
This is pretty.
Is that a reindeer?
Yeah. It's soft.
Oh, it's soft. Oh, nice.
Like the heart.
What is that?
A dress.
Well, I think it's a wreath, honey.
I dropped it.
What's that? A choo-choo train, yes.
A bear. A toe.
Oh, honey, careful.
A chair.
A chair, yeah.
You can sit on it.
It's too little to sit on. It goes on the tree.
And go on a tree.
Should we put it on the tree?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to play tennis? You want me to play tennis?
Yeah, you can play tennis.
You want Grandpa to play
Okay.
tennis?
Swish, swish.
You want me to run? You want Grandpa to run?
Oh, Grandpa, the run?
Yeah.
All right, come on. I'll come. I'll run after you. Here, who's this old fella? Who's that man? That's an old rabbi, I think.
Don't you know who it is, Tim? It's Santa.
I think it is.
Uh-huh. Look, Tim's decorating the tree.
Did you lose interest again?
She loses interest fast.
Her attention span is short. Top of the tree's looking a little barren.
Yeah, no kidding.
Not as patient as you are.
Mommy.
There we go.
Oh, that's okay. Would you like to get by?
Little filler.
No.
Are you gonna put another ornament on?
Yeah.
Hey, who's this old fella here? Who is that? She knows more
So
than
you do know. Yeah, right.
Here.
A chair. I put the chair on there, yeah.
Here, you know what kind of animal this is?
I don't know. A dog.
Yeah, it's a dog.
It's a goose, actually.
It's a wing dog. It's one of those avian dogs. Here, we're gonna put this up here, okay?
Oh, I like this ball.
Do you? You put that on there. That's one of the 12 days of Christmas.
Oh, am I in your way? I'm sorry. Thing there? You gotta put this on the branch. Like, there you go. Oh, nice.
Oh,